Welcome back. In the last task, we added a page to showcase our shop and linked it to the home page. In this task, we will begin to order and edit the other pages that have already been created. While we spent the first 3 tasks building the website and have not paid much attention to the most important piece of the website, which can generate both virtual and foot traffic to our bike shop, our blog, a place where we can share information about cycling with our clients, the community, and beyond. In this task, we will edit the blog page, which is showcased in the middle of the homepage, by linking it and adding some additional features. You should already be logged into your WordPress dashboard. If you are not, pause the video now and log into the WordPress account. Let's start by clicking the blog to the homepage, or linking the blog to the homepage. You should be on your website dashboard page with a list of your website pages showing. Click on the 3 dots next to the blog and click Copy Link in the drop-down menu. Click on the 3 dots next to Homepage and click Edit Page on the drop-down menu. Once the homepage loads, scroll down to find the button that reads View Blog. We're going to click on it to reveal the toolbar, and then click on the link tool, click Edit, and paste the link in the box. Press Enter, and we want to go ahead and click the toggle to open in a new tab. Click on the preview link at the top of the page to load a preview and make sure the link works. So let's go ahead and click Update so that we save it, and then we'll click the preview link. And now you can see our blog. So let's go ahead and click Close. Click on the W in the upper left corner to return to the dashboard. And now we're ready to edit the blog. So click the link for the title of the blog page. Let's change the title of the blog to For the Love of Bikes blog. Change the main image to match the image on the main page. Again, we see that we have text that appears in the middle, so we're going to delete that block. And then click Update at the top of the page to save the changes. We're going to leave the rest of the settings as they are, and we're going to add a test blog post. So we can do this by going back to our dashboard, click on the post link in the navigation pane on the left side of the screen. In the upper right corner of the post page, click Add New Post. In the document pane on the right side of the page, change the visibility under the status and visibility link to private and click Yes at the prompt. So now our blog is set to private. Since this is a test post, we will leave all of the default settings. For an actual blog post, we would want to make sure to add a featured image and add tags, categories, and allow or deny comments, pingbacks, trackbacks, which are all tools to help boost your blog. Here's the categories, the tags, and then at the bottom you could allow pingbacks and trackbacks. For the title on the top text block, click on it and then add the text test post. Remember, this post is set to private so no one else will see it. So for the text, type the text, "This is a test blog post." This post will appear in the blog widget we are going to add to the home page in the next step. Click Publish in the upper right-hand corner and confirm you want to publish. If you need more time to complete this step, press pause now to complete the step. Let's return to the dashboard and click the W in the upper left corner of the screen. Next, we are going to add widgets to the bottom of the home page to show recent blog posts. Click the W in the upper left corner to return to the dashboard. Next, click the WP admin link on the navigation page at the left of the page. It is the very last link. Next, choose Appearance from the links to the left. And then choose Widgets. Click on the Manage with Live Preview button next to the word Widgets at the top of the screen. Choose the button Add a Widget. On the menus that show up, choose Follow button. So there should be a follow button. This will add a button for our visitors to follow our blog. And then we want to go ahead and add another widget, which is the links button. Here. And we're going to change this to 2. And click Done. Then we add our last widget, which is the Recent Post button. Here. And we want to change this to just 2 recent posts and click Done. And you can see the widgets appear in the footer of your home page. So click Changes. And now the widgets appear. Close the Widgets menu by clicking the X in the upper left corner of the page. And once you are done on the Widgets menu, click on the X in the tab to close it and return to the WordPress site. We can actually go ahead and click My Sites. And now we are at our main dashboard. So we can see our Pages menu again. So go ahead and click Pages, and now our Pages menu is visible. If you need more time to complete this task, pause the video now. In this task, we added widgets to the home page and edited the blog page. In the next task, we will edit the About page and add a link back to the home page in the text.